Hello and welcome. My name is Shannon Cecilia. Thank you for joining me today. Today's reading, we are going to use the Astro um, Oracle, and this is a really fun deck. Star codes with an astrology lens. The first card that I pulled is Aries, and Aries is a fire sign, and it's also the first house in the astrological archetype realm. And it's about going first, going forward, being the leader. Now, as I mentioned, there are 12 houses as we visit the wheel. So while we have this bursts of energy, we know that the Aries energy is not conditioned to take us through an entire cycle. That's why we take pauses within the astrological archetype realm to visit each of the beautiful homes of our archetypes. So with Aries, we have this innate knowing of knowing what to do, the steps you need to take, these bursts of lightning energy, right? That sizzle of vibration, excitement of going first. Pondering a moment the energy of the card, observing the symbols, what may be coming up for you. Right. So the next card I pulled was is number 4, and this is Cancer. The sign of Cancer, and it is immerse yourself. Cancer is a beautiful water sign, and about home and family and languishing in feeling the feels in the emotional realm of immersing yourself in the energy of where you are on your journey. So we've had this period and these bursts of fabulous energy of moving forward in our journey. And we know that it's great to balance with play and rest the work that we do, and both the inner and external work, as we know it's a balance. So we blend this energy together and as we go in the cycles, and it's comforting to know that we have built in these beautiful relationships with the astrological archetypes to carry us, support us in the ebb and the flow. We have this energy of moving forward. So, like, we have this energy of going first and moving forward, this knowing that this is the way to go, trusting the instinct and the intuition and coming in for it. And then the immersing yourself in the next phase when you're coming from the beautiful ebb and flow, go into the transits of the climate. So we understand the climate on the journey, right? So we've got moving forward, the resting, the play, balancing, taking care of what our home environment looks like, feels like for us. And we have come into the climate of our environments. And this is for our internal and external environments as well. And so we've got our mind, body, and soul, and we take into account where we are on our journey. Now, what comes in for us now is for the Gemini. We bring in a Gemini energy, and it's cross-pollination. So we find that in communities, there is a cross-pollination of building relationships and having the climate ripple out, extending beyond our immediate environment, our immediate ecosystem, if you will. This vibrational energy ripples out with the work that we do. And the beauty of going first and leading and taking the steps, inspired action, balancing with the emotional support of the ebb and the flow, internal, external, the work and immersion in that day-to-day work, because it's a journey each day, rippling out into the climate beyond our immediate focus, and the cross-pollination with the beautiful building of community as we reach out with those ripples when we do our work. And that brings in, I have the North Node, which is the future. So we have this beautiful sword, right? This sword of energy that ripples out for our journey. And knowing that whatever path we take is the right path for us at the time, and that the path will change and evolve and transform as we go through our cycles. And it's a beautiful regeneration of energy and cyclical energy. It just moves like clockwork in beautiful cycles. And there are infinite possibilities, opportunities as we travel through these cycles. Each time we're in a different space, we are ascending in that beautiful energy. So we all right, so Sagittarius is a fire sign, and Sagittarius is the pursuit of truth to our highest good. So this is an amazing reading for whoever this resonates for. And your beautiful energy is really, really fine-tuned into that beautiful expansion in the Sagittarius energetic realm. We've got the beautiful energy of the cycles that we have from the rippling of the climate. We find that ripples in the Sagittarian energy of being the truth seeker, the change makers. And number 35 is the ascendant, and that's the entrance. It's that grand entrance of that beautiful Sagittarian energy coming from that compass of the moon. So the ebb and the flow and the cycles of the moon and the Sagittarian energy expanding the entrance. So the more we do the work that we're here to do, the more people, beings on their journey become interested and curious and desire to expand and amplify their climates internally and externally. So I hope you've enjoyed the reading for today, and it's Tuesday, May 28th, 2024. I will see you next time. Bye for now.